What's up? Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Welcome to my channel where I help kids fall in love with reading. If you want to help kids fall in love with reading, thanks, because that's part of the problem. Not a lot of people these days focus on helping kids fall in love with reading. Focus on all these other things, but let's refocus. Let's get kids excited about reading and make everything else so much easier. So subscribe to the channel and we can help get kids excited about reading together. Today we're opening up Kid Book Mail, books that were sent to me by authors, illustrators, publishers, all kinds of stuff. Hopefully we find the next great book for us to all share with our kids. Let's see what we have in this first package. Why We Went Extinct, an illustrated encyclopedia of the species that didn't make it. Kids are going to love this. Like, I didn't have to open it up. Like, just tell. Seriously. I got a 5th grader who's writing some informational piece about extinct animals. Her last section is going to be, how do we prevent this? I love that. So I'm bringing this book to school tomorrow so she can read it. Check it out. It's exciting. Alex Light. It's Not Me, It's You. Aw, look at this little frog costume. I'm dying to know what's going on there. Jackie Myers is a friend, or she might be a genius. The jury's still out. To read to find out. All right, what do we have here? Shadowed, Carl Duker. That's a basketball book. That's always exciting. We have a picture book here to finish things off from this box. Cicely Tyson by Renee Watson and Sherry Shine, Renee Watson. Black is the ancestors' answered prayer. Black is resilient, is the torch. Passed on and on, generation to generation. Looks cool. I like to read that. It looks fascinating. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's like a onesie, one book with a package. The Lion Girl. This looks fun. I'm Lion Girl. I am very brave. The city does not scare me. I'm very intrigued by this book. Can't wait to read it. When it comes out, I dropped the what's it called? The press release. I think that's what it's called. Oh, all right. Got a picture book here. Saturday morning at the shop. Doesn't that look sweet? Look at this kid. Look at this cover. Ah! This book is already, this book was on sale January 7th. So it's not already out. Add that to your to-read list. I know I'm going to read it here in a minute. All right. Oh. Yes. Wrath of the Paperclip. I actually read this book. It's phenomenal. First Cat in Space 1, First Cat in Space ate pizza, First Cat in Space ate pizza and the Soup of Doom, First Cat in Space ate pizza, and The Wrath of the Paperclip. First Cat in Space. Just so much fun. If you haven't read these books, check them out. They're all awesome. Like, seriously, they are all awesome and amazing. Let's see what we have here from Peachtree Publishing. We're having some good books today, aren't we, friends? I know. Okay. Got a couple picture books. Man in Sarah. Picture book biography. Looks beautiful. And, Lester's my friend. When does this one come out? January 7th. Lester Lamanick, one of the best. Just if you ever get the chance to go to an educator conference and hear him speak, he's like one of the best. A cat like that. Nicole Long. I'm dying. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Holy smokes. What a team. What a team. Look at that cat. Let's go, Lester. Congratulations, friend. All right. Let's see what we have next. Oh, I bought this book. I bought my own book that I made with a bunch of awesome people. A creativity project. I'm not going to talk about it, but that's in the package. So I needed a copy. I'd like to give that book away, and I was running out of copies. So the final book. I know, isn't this sad? So many of my 5th graders are so fascinated with this book. The Last Bad Guys, book 20. I wonder how many kids have read them all. Man, it's not even that old of a series. Think about that. They just came out with the 19th Diary of a Wimpy Kid and the 20th Bad Guys. The Bad Guys like a decade plus later. It's wild. Good job. Good job, Bad Guys piece. All right, let's see what we have here. It's a big book. Bane of Asgard. Dun, dun, dun. Look how thick that is. Looks fun. All right, got a couple more here. Where'd my little cutter go? Box cutter. Supposed to cut away from yourself. I'm not doing the best with that. Sorry. Hope you're finding something great to add to your to-read list. I know I am. I got some picture books. I got some chapter books. I got illustrated books about extinct animals. All kinds of stuff. And we got a big, huge pile we need to recycle as well. Stitches on Tradition. That looks so interesting. Look at that. Tradition stitched together, generations with love. Let's look inside. Oh, the art is gorgeous. Hello. Can't wait to read that. Stitches of Tradition. Yasmin Larry, Green Architect. The true story of Pakistan's first woman architect. Picture books, man. You just get to learn about people you never thought you would get to learn about. So last summer of 2023, Sarah Everett's A Probability of Everything kind of took over the planet. Everyone was fascinated by it. Everyone wanted to read it. We couldn't get enough of it. Now she's got a new book, and it says like what it's about. I'm probably not even going to read what it's about. I'm probably just going to read the book. Do you ever do that? Do you ever like just see an author and you're like, I don't want to know anything. I just want to read it. That's so exciting. All right. Thief of the Heights. A line between stealing and surviving depends on who's on top. Whoa. That looks intense. What a cover. The graphic novel. I don't know if this is for like a little bit older kids that I'm used to teaching. But to check it out though, it just looks breathtaking. Happy Town. We make happy. And then it says, crossed off, you make disasters. Please wait and remain happy. Help is on the way. Well, that's intriguing. Weirdly, Walter. Oh, I want to meet Walter. Look at chapter book. Middle grade novel. 170 pages. Always looking for shorter middle grade. Let's go. And finally, Chai Jinxed. Emmy Pinto. Very exciting. Looks kind of fun, right? I think so. All right, let's open up this one right here. Get all caught up in the book now. That's very exciting because we have a lot of boxes sitting around. What do we have here? This one. Okay, let's see what we have in here. It's a good box to put these books in to take to school. Be smart about screen time. I wonder what it's going to be like when I bring this one into class. I really am excited. Let's look inside. They're going to be so annoyed with me. Balance, friends. Oddball History. Spices and Spuds. How Plants Make Our World. Oh my gosh, it's like a comic. What is going on here? This looks so fun. Did you know the plants help shape our modern world? That plants help. It may sound ridiculous, but empires have risen and fallen because of stuff you find in your grocery store vegetable aisle. Through wars, famine, prosperity, and more. Every aspect of our lives and livelihoods has something to do with plants. It's super fun. And The Empty Place by Olivia A. Cole. Check it out. All right, we have two more books here. Up Periscope, How Engineer Ray Montague Revolutionized Shipbuilding. That sounds so interesting. And The Helping Sweater. That sounds like the perfect sweater. The Helping Sweater. We're going to have to look inside this real quick. Oh my gosh, how cute. All right, two more. This one is from my friend Ruth Spiro. I think it's from my friend Ruth Spiro. Unless I know someone else with the last name Spiro from that state. One for school and one for one for home. Hugs to Elena. That's my wife. One Small Spark. Autographed by the author. That looks cool. Thanks, Ruth. The best friends. All right, we have one more package here. This has actually been here a while. It just keeps getting pushed to the bottom, which isn't fair. Maybe the next great book is in this package. You never know. Ugh. All right, let's see what we got. Really Bird, Really Lucky. These are fun. You see, these are fun. I read a bunch of these. Little Hare Finds a Gift. I love reading books in the snow. I wish you could feel it. It's very like, it's kind of like a texture, like glittery, and I kind of feels, see. This looks really fun. And is a book a box for the words? For words. Is a book a box for words? Boxes everywhere you look. Explore boxes and their uses in this fun and clever book. Look at the art. It looks so unique and fun. Well, friends, we found so many amazing, fun-looking books. Hope you found something awesome to add to your to-read list. Thank you so much for tuning in. Can't wait to see you next time. My name is Colby Sharp. Hope you have an awesome, fantastic